We have it on good record. Dr. Besigye was supposed to be killed at Riverside. This I speak on good authority, and I don't want to mince words. It was just by the grace of the Lord a supervening factor came in.
The arrest of former FDC President Dr. Kizza Besigye and Hajji Obeid Lutale that happened last month has since witnessed a number of condemnations and concerns raised from especially opposition leaders. Following a joint meeting of different opposition political party heads at the leader of opposition's office in Parliament today, the leaders issued a statement demanding for the release of the accused persons and other political prisoners facing charges before the General Court Martial. The leaders that were present included National Unity Platform President Robert Kyagulanyi, former leaders of opposition Winnie Chiza, Elias Lukwago as acting FDC Katonga faction president, retired General Mugisha Muntu of Alliance for National Transformation, Conservative Party President Dr. Ken Luchamus, People's Progressive Party President Saddam Gaila, leader of opposition Joel Senyonyi, among other legislators. The opposition caucus condemned the capture of Dr. Besigye and Hajji Lutale from Kenya, saying that its nature was in complete violation of governing laws.
We therefore jointly demand that Dr. Kizza Besigye's charges and Hajji Obeid Lutale's charges be dropped, and if they can't be dropped, let them at least be charged in a civilian court.
We should not let this matter rest.
It's a very serious matter. You are having non-lawyers presiding over serious matters.
There is no reason why Dr. Besigye should be kept in prison. He should be, he should be released.
They also called for an end to the continued trial of civilians in military courts, noting that military court lacks jurisdiction to try civilians and goes against aspirations of the Ugandan constitution.
It's a disciplinary committee. If you want to be civil enough, you can call it a tribunal. But it's not a court within the meaning of the law. It's a misnomer, even under the Constitution, under our laws. It's not a court of competent record. It's not a court of judicature.
It defeats the purpose for which the Constitution was made. There are provisions of free association, freedom to associate, freedom to speak, freedom to assemble. But if all those freedoms are now no longer available for us, the citizens, then I don't see whether we still have any constitution to call a constitution.
In commemoration of International Anti-Corruption Day, the leaders stressed the importance of acknowledging the day, encouraging the fight against the vice that the country is wrestling.
We must all in unison be able to condemn corruption in all its forms, regardless who commits it.
In Uganda, if we want to effectively fight corruption, we should adopt the federal governance model, the model of a federalism, to empower the regions with the power to fight corruption. You cannot fight corruption when you have no power.
As a call to action, the opposition caucus also urged Ugandans to be concerned and join in the fight to revive legitimate order, as they claimed that the constitution is no longer serving as the much upheld law of the land.
Members of Parliament who are here, Article 79 is very, very clear. It's a duty of all of you to protect, jealously, to protect the Constitution, the sanctity of the Constitution, its spirit and the letter. Let us rise to the occasion, regardless of our political divide.
I call upon you all to remember the call of persistence, because without persistence, you may not cause any impact in this world.
In countries where they have fought injustice, the professionals, the religious leaders, the middle class, they all come together to fight this injustice. Until we realize this, until we appreciate this, this injustice shall keep on.
Tomorrow, Dr. Kizza Besigye and Hajji Obeid Lutale will be arraigned in the General Court Martial at Marchino Division in Kampala, making a third appearance since the arrest on 20th November 2024, facing charges of alleged treason and illegal possession of firearms.